Here we will see creating local temporary table in SQL Server. Local temporary tables are visible for the duration of the connection, and when the session is closed, that local temporary tables are dropped automatically. The name of the temporary table starts with a hash symbol. SQL Server provides two ways to create a local temporary table as select into and create table statement. First we will see creating a temporary tables using select into statement. General syntax is select field 1, field 2 into temporary table name with hash symbol from table name and where condition. For example, select employee ID, first name, last name, salary into temporary table EMP from employee where salary is 50,000. Here it will insert the fields employee ID, first name, last name and salary to the temporary table employee whose salary is 50,000. Next is creating temporary table using create table statement. General syntax is create table with temporary table name and fields with data types. Here we have created two fields, product name and list price. For example, create table temporary product, which is the name of the temporary table, with field name product name of type varchar max and list price of type decimal. It will create a temporary table temp product with these two fields, product name and list price. Now we'll execute this in SQL Server. First we'll use database project 1 and we'll display data from employee table. So select star from employee. It will display data from employee table. Now we'll create a temporary table with into statement. So select employee ID, first name, last name, salary into we'll create temporary table EMP. So into EMP from employee where salary equal to 50,000. And when we execute this command, it will create temporary table EMP and two records are inserted into that table. To check whether temporary table is created or not, we will select database, under this system database and under this temp DB and temporary tables. Here temporary table EMP is created, and to check the data from this table we will use select star from hash EMP, which is the name of the temporary table, and when we execute this it will display two records whose salary is 50,000. Now we'll create a temporary table with create table statement. So create table hash with name temp EMP and we'll give the fields product name of type varchar and price of type decimal with 10,2, and we will execute this. It will display the message commands completed successfully, that is it has created a temporary table temp EMP. To check it, we will refresh it and under database system database under temp DB we will check temporary tables. Here temporary table temp EMP is created.